Do you love learning about luxurious skincare that works as much as I do? Then you're gonna love learning about Rejuran. Rejuran's hero ingredient is c-pdrn, a marine growth factor that promotes cell regeneration, stimulates collagen production, and protects skin's natural barrier. Once only available by injection through dermatologists, Rejuran scientists shrunk the c-pdrn molecules to a size smaller than human pores, which means needles are no longer required to deliver amazing results. No needles? Now that sounds pretty wonderful to me. I'm using Rejuran's entire system. Their calming and soothing cleanser is just so hydrating to the skin. The Healer Turnover Ampoule is amazing, and if you could just have one skincare product, this is it. The Advanced Face and Neck Cream instantly deeply nourishes the skin and improves skin appearance for a sculpted and youthful look. The Advanced Active Night Repair Eye Cream is absorbent, smooth, and silky, along with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It brightens dark circles and eases puffiness. Rejuran is beauty combined with regenerative science for fantastic results. I love it, and I know you will too.